He is my brother. He is my brother.
She is my sister. Sister. She is my sister.
Today we are going to the market.
Today we are going.
To the market. Let's go outside. Let's go outside.
Mother gives us a bag.
Oh, bag.
Mother gives us.
A bag. He is holding the bag. He is holding the bag.
A car is coming. A car is coming.
The road is busy. The road is busy.
Many people are walking. Many people are walking.
We are entering the market. We are entering the market. I am holding the bag. I am holding the bag. The carrots are fresh. The carrots are fresh. Now we are buying onions. Now we are buying onions. These tomatoes are red. These tomatoes are red. He is showing fresh vegetables. He is showing fresh vegetables. The vegetables look fresh. The vegetables look fresh. We are going to another shop. We are going to another shop. The bag is full now. The bag is full now. Now we are leaving the market. Now we are leaving the market. He is picking tomatoes. He is picking tomatoes. We are sitting on a bench. We are sitting on a bench.
Let's go home now.
Let's go home now. Let's go home now. The house is near. The house is near.
The weather is nice. The weather is nice.
Nice. We are happy today. We are happy today. We are washing the vegetables. We are washing the vegetables. We are eating happily. We are eating happily.